Hello there. Today we're going to be I'll be doing a tutorial on how to make mod packs for Curseforge, which I already did a video on that, but there'll be a bit more in here, as well as just how to download mod packs, how to make your own, just how to use the Curseforge app in general. And so to start off today, we are going to just start with more mod packs. So I've already made a few. We're going to create custom profile over here. This is basically how you start. This is custom profile is custom pack basically. You want to create that. You go over here. You can see you can change the image. You press right on this import. You can import the mod pack file into Curseforge. And then here's where you name it. And you can choose any version of the game if you want, all the way down to 1.1. Let's just do 1.20.4. Down here, you can also change the Forge version to whatever you want, and by default, it will change the Forge version. But so, say you're using Create, which needs a certain version of Forge. It needs 2.4, but on 1.18.2, which is a Create mod version, you would it'll automatically do this, but you would want to change it to this in order for it to work. So you do want to pay attention to modded versions. Anyway, we will create that 1.18.2 Forge 40.2.4. Game type Forge, Fabric, and Quilt, and NeoForge and Vanilla. This basically that basically just chooses what kind of mod loader it's going to be using, as you can see here. But not all mods are available for every mod loader. For example, Create is only available for Fabric and Forge, mainly just Forge though. So you can see when you create it, you get put into the pack by default. It's also over here. Resource packs, worlds, and shaders, and mods. First, so you can search your mods right there. If you go over here, you can repair the profile. So if it's having any problems or anything, you press that, whatever. Profile options, this is how you edit it after you make it. So as you can see here, you would want to, we're going to change that. And you can also open folder. You can export the file. It'll also bring you to the file, so then you can and then you can do some other stuff. Give somebody the download for the file, and they can import it into their Curseforge, which would be how you share your packs with others. But as you can see, this add more content button. You could press that, but the quick button is right here. You press that, right, and then give it a second. And now you're here. Everything that, as you can see, it says test, add more content. It'll have the name of your pack and then add more content. That's how you know that you're still in there. When you're in here, you just press install and it'll automatically be compatible. Only mods that are compatible with the others and all that that work with each other will show. So, yeah. Also, only for the same version and for the same mod loader, so you literally just have to press install. No looking for versions or anything, which is why the add more content is just so useful. If you're trying to play with friends on Java, another mod that's really good for it would be Essentials, or just Essential mod. It gives the ability to invite people, but yeah. Also, if you're into Create, that's in 1.18.2 as well. Everything's in 1.18.2. But say you don't want to make your own mod pack. You want to, instead of going to create custom profile, you want to go browse. You can browse mod packs. So say we want this Pixelmon mod pack. You want to press install. It will do some stuff. You can go back to my mod packs and you can see it's downloading. It's loading all of its mods. We just have to wait for a second for it to load everything. Yeah. So and now it will do its pack. It's mods. and you can see it'll show up in here, and then you can, yeah. Um, if you want to like publish your mod pack or whatever, you're gonna need to have an account to log in with this button over here. But you can, but in order to log into Curseforge, you need to sign in with Twitch. There's also a Discord server. If you press the link right there, so that Discord thing will send you over to the Discord server link. Premium. So Curseforge Premium, you can now subscribe. You can, yeah, use a lot of things, especially the ads. So you don't have these annoying ads on the side. You can also fully, yeah, you can also customize it if you go into over there. If you go into settings, and then we use themes. You can see light mode and dark mode. I don't know why anybody would use light mode, but premium gets Minecraft one. Pretty sure that's like The Sims, and then yeah, like Final Fantasy or whatever. But yeah, so there's some different themes. But Curseforge is, as you probably saw a second ago, is not only for yeah. So Curseforge is not only for Minecraft; it's for a lot of it's for all of these games as well. At least the app is. Pal World is on here. Couple of Space Program, World of Tanks even. But main one is Minecraft. Unless you can see, just right click. You can just delete, get rid of these profiles. And yeah. Also, if you go up to servers up here, Curseforge also has its own server hosting like program thing. If we wait for this to load again, yeah, and then as you can see here, that there is like since Curseforge has its own like server hosting program and all that, with like I'm pretty sure it's with Bisect hosting. You can just copy the IP and join any one of these servers whenever you want. And if they do have mods, I'm pretty sure they will also download automatically. But yeah, there's a lot in here. As you can see, there's 7 pages of this. So if you're ever wanting to join a new Java server, just look through here. There's hundreds. And I think that's about it. That's all I really wanted to show off today, and I will have you have it. And I'll be having another tutorial on how to send packs to others and share files safely without leaking any info. So goodbye.